I am Cameron, and I am going to show you how to be ninja. 73,004 times 2. 5. Here we go. First step on becoming a ninja, you need to learn how to do the kick. When I say the kick, it is a special kick. Ready? Hoi! Woo! Almost fell down. Show you again. Ready? Okay. 2, you need to learn the pow. Goes like this. See this ordinary pillow? If it was a person, I'd grab him by the shoulder, under his armpit, whip, bah! Boom! Now you need to learn how to do the ninja flip. Ready? Ta-da! Now you need to learn how to punch helpless pillows. Man. Uppercut. That's all for now. I think I have head trauma or something. I'll come to you later with how to be ninja, whatever number I said at the beginning. Bye-bye.